Welcome to the Import from China course, the Beginner's Guide. My name is Manuel and I was born in Austria in a little town called Melk. Asia has always fascinated me ever since I can remember. I remember watching Bruce Lee and other Chinese movies as a kid and I was hooked right away. Now, my professional career started in 1998 when I worked for Austria's biggest DIY retailer at the time, and I moved to Hong Kong in 2005 when I was offered a position as an intern at one of the biggest sourcing offices in Hong Kong with a staff well over 200 people. Now, for more than 10 years I worked with the biggest retailers in the world, developing, sourcing and finding new products for them. Now, these retailers included, for example, Metro of Germany, Rewe of Germany, OBI, Carrefour France, Tesco UK, Walmart USA, Amazon, Auchan, Lowe's, Sears, Home Depot and many others. Now, as you can imagine, the big retailers expect their products to do more than just conform to standards and regulations when they purchase them in Asia. They need to be of the highest standard and quality. These retailers simply cannot afford to have a product recalled due to quality problems or defective components. These products really needed to be top-notch. Now, in those 10 years I got to know all about the standards and product requirements, and additionally I gained a lot of experience and insight working with factories in China. Not just that, I learned a lot about China, its culture and its manufacturing facilities, where and how to find best suppliers, how to negotiate and communicate with them, how to arrange business travels for my customers, and a lot more. Now, in the busiest seasons, which was usually April and October, because the fairs were held at that time, I accompanied up to 30 buyers a month to exhibitions, factories and showrooms to help negotiate, develop products and follow up on the buyers' requests after they were gone. Now, I got to know all the tips and tricks you need to return home from your trip successfully. Now, this course is aimed to make you a professional importer in a few days using what took me over 10 years to learn. This course will guide you step by step on the process of importing goods from China. And this course also aims to take away all your worries and fears and help you to take your business to the next level. Now, I will cover all aspects of importing from China. Starting with Alibaba, you'll get to know about importing procedures, dealing with factories, finding your products, how to inspect and ship your goods, and finding out what legal importing requirements your products need. What am I doing right now? Besides this course, I run a consumer electronics company in Hong Kong that provides the latest gadgets and products to customers all around the world. You can also check me out at www.mandarin-gear.com.